Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to Over the Table's Random Reviews. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you take a second and click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any future videos, the giveaway I'm doing at 1,000 subscribers, or the 100th video, because it is going to be absolutely fantastic and you don't want to miss out. Now today's product, what we've got is a LED thing that screws onto your faucet. It's on eBay for just $2. I'll put that link in the description if you want to get your own. Now it has got the chrome look to it. It's an ABS material, I think is what it said. And it fits most size faucets. You're going to have to look on eBay to find out if it's the right size for yours, because it doesn't fit all of them. But it screws right on, so let's open this thing up and see what it's all about. Alright guys, I did not spit this much, I swear. Alright, so we've got our product here. It is in pretty basic standard eBay packaging, not the bubble wrap type, so it's not very protected, but it is protected enough. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Should be able to rip it right open. Alright, so here is the package. It does come protected in another piece of plastic, which is nice because it doesn't have the bubble wrap, so we'll take it out of there. Now this is what the product looks like. As you can see, it is a stainless steel look, kind of chrome material. So if you got a faucet that looks like that, it'll go really well with it. As you can see, it's got a little rubber sealer ring around it. I guess a little filter to help your water flow go through. Your water goes through there. You can see the LED right there. And there's really no on and off switch. There's no battery involved with this product. It works solely based on the water pressure, which spins a little engine fan thing in there that generates power and turns on the LED. Now this thing does do 7 different colors of LED. You can get a 3 LED version, which supposedly makes it change color based on the temperature of the water. It goes red for hot, green for regular temperature, and blue for cold. But this one switches between 7 different colors of LEDs, which is very nice. I decided to go with that one so we have a wider variety, and it does it all on its own. It's all automatic. There's no adjusting anything. You just screw it on and it's supposed to be plug and play. So let's go ahead and screw this thing on the faucet and see if it actually works. Alright guys, I got lucky, and the faucet that happens to be in the same room happens to have the right size thing. So let's go ahead and unscrew the existing cap. And you just unscrew that. Water's going to come out, so just be mindful of that. So you can see it's designed very similar with that little sealer ring of rubber in there, so it prevents leaks, and everything else is very similar. But this doesn't have LED. Ours does. Now it doesn't match this sink per se, because this is a dark version of a sink, but this is the chrome. So if you do have a chrome one, it'll look a lot better, but this is just to test out the functionality of the product. So you go ahead and screw this thing on. Now you want to make sure it's a good tight connection, because you do not want any leakage. If you have to, get your shirt in there, get that extra grip. Alright guys, so that's on there pretty well, and it's fitted on there. So let's go ahead and see if it does prevent leaks. Let's turn this thing on. Wow. It is already on, and I can tell you right now there is absolutely no leakage, which is absolutely fantastic. And you can see the type of stream that's coming out of it. It's a pretty standard sink type thing, but it actually gives you a good amount of water flow that can really cover your hands if you're trying to wash dishes, fill up a cup, or wash your hands. It'll do it very well, so it'll work great for you in a bathroom sink or a kitchen sink or any other sink you need, because it does have a nice flow to it. So let's go ahead and turn this thing off and show you guys what it looks like when the lights are off. Alright guys, the lights are off, so let's go ahead and turn on this sink. Wow. That is impressive, guys. It's actually pretty darn bright. It's light, as you can see, it's lighting up the whole area with its LEDs. And it's completely powered by the little generating fan that spins when the water flow passes through it. And it's all powered just like that. It's almost like a water turbine type of thing going on. And you can see it transitions between the colors, and then it flashes the colors. It does so pretty consistently. It does the same thing over and over, but as long as your sink is on, it's going to be going. You turn your sink off and it turns off. Let's see how slow of a flow you can have and still have light. There we go. That's barely on, and it's still giving you the light. And if we go max, you've got even You know, I think that's even brighter, actually. Let's turn it down a little bit. Yeah, as you can see, that's not as bright with the lower flow. You turn that thing up, you've got a much brighter light going for you. That is absolutely amazing, guys. For $2, less than $2, you've got yourself an LED faucet that runs just on the water, no batteries needed. So if you guys want to know how to detach it, it detaches the same way it attached on. You go ahead and unscrew it, and it actually unscrewed pretty easily. And I'm glad there's no leakage. I expected there to have a little bit of leak, but I guess its rubber sealer worked. If you make sure you screw it on nice and tight, it will work for you. So it comes off just like that, and we could screw the other one right back on. And just to test it out, make sure that's not leaking now. Boom. So this has been the $2 LED faucet light. Guys, I highly recommend this product. It's less than $2, very budget friendly, almost anyone can afford it, and it'll add a nice little flair to your home. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all the future videos, the giveaway, and the 100th video. Have a great day, everybody, and as always, don't get shot.